Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn what ChatGPT can do to create some fantastic images. So surprisingly, ChatGPT can now be used to create some fantastic images like this one. So take a look at this. This is a simple prompt that I gave it to create the image of a dog swimming in a swimming pool. Okay, so and it gave me this image. You can see the image very clear and very nice. You can see the details, and it is truly swimming in a swimming pool. This was created by ChatGPT, and you can download it very easily with just one click. You can have it downloaded on your desktop. All right, so this is another image that I've generated. Can you generate the image of a lion in a bar drinking coffee? And surprisingly also, it has generated this. Take a look at the clarity in the image. Okay, the quality of the image and the coffee it is drinking. Definitely this is next level. Okay, so ChatGPT has actually introduced this image creation very nicely. So you can see the wonders it has created, the quality in the image and the quality of the background, very clear and well detailed. So you can go ahead and try it and see what you can generate on your own. You can create beyond ordinary images. You can even create posters. I've added this advert. I've added a very simple advert, and I asked it to create a poster about an advert from Epic Digital Academy. And this is the poster it has just created for me wonderfully from just a piece of poster that I've added. So you can just go ahead and add your own and see how you can use this to your own advantage. The only caveat to this is that there's a little limit to how many images you can create if you are on a free account. But judging by the quality of the images that it has been creating, actually it is worth the investment to subscribe to the pro version. So let's start. To start creating, you can just go ahead and create your own account. Of course, it's free to create an account on ChatGPT. You can always come over here to create a new chat, and then you can go ahead and start chatting directly. So for example, I can say create the image of, okay, so let's say this cozy cafe on a rainy day. It just gives us an idea, and I want to use that as my own guide, so we can just go ahead and create it. The caveat to this is that it takes a bit of a time before it generates the images. That means that is because of the quality of the image that it is here generating. So you can expect it to take some time before it generates, but it's really worth the wait. Okay, and you can see the image that it has generated. This is it, very clear, and it is on a rainy day. You can see the view, the lightning and so on. It is very detailed, and you can download it as well from this download option, the download button. You can just click and you can just have it downloaded on your system. So let's try another one. Assuming I have this infograph, and I want this ChatGPT to help me generate something like that. This infograph, I want it to help me generate something like this, but then with human image in it. Okay, so I'm going to import this poster and then ask it to generate something similar to it. All right, so you can come down to the plus sign over here. You can of course upload from any of these, from a drive, from Microsoft OneDrive and so on. You can also upload from your system, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go to this, and then, all right, so I have this poster, this one, so I can just go ahead and select it. So generate similar poster for a job opening in my channel, Epic Mentorship. Make it very colorful and state the criteria and time of application. Okay, you can be as detailed as you want. Whatever you want included, you can also capture it over here. So once you're done, you can just go ahead, hit on enter, and then give it some seconds. It's going to review the poster, and then it's going to generate something like that for you. So which means right now you don't have to continuously be going to Canva or to Photoshop or to any other graphics design platform to generate your own graphics design. Or of any poster or any template or any image of your choice. You can describe it and ChatGPT can get it professionally done for you. So let's give it some seconds and let's see what it is going to generate for this one. All right, and surprisingly, you can see what it has created. All right, so you can see this is the criteria for the job opening, and it has given us a fantastic poster. You can see the details, and it's something similar to what it has generated for us previously, and so it's similar to what we have added as a guide for it to generate. So you can just go ahead, come over here and download it, and you can have it for yourself to just create. So now you don't have to like I said, um be going over different kind of platforms to generate or create posters or any kind of graphic for yourself. You can do that on your own. Now another thing is I wanted to help me create the Ghibli images, type of images that is now common, that you can generate from real photo into the Ghibli photo. So let me upload an image and ask it to convert it to that format for me. So let's say I have this image of a cute small boy that I wanted to help me to convert into okay, so let's say I have this image of this boy. Okay, so let's say I have the image of this boy and I want it to help me convert it into the Ghibli format. Let's just go ahead and keep on and ask it. Okay, can you convert this image into the Ghibli format? Okay, so let's just go ahead and enter, give some seconds, and it is going to help me to convert this. And surprisingly, this is the image that it has generated for us wonderfully from that particular image that you've seen created. Okay, so you can just go ahead. You can see from this image, it has just converted into this, and you can just go ahead and download this as well and have it for yourself. You can add this also to, can you add this to the front page of a Nigerian daily trust newspaper? Okay, so I can just ask you to add this to the front page of a Nigerian daily trust, and let's see whether it is going to be able to do that. Just surprise me because it is asking for details. Okay, so it just says surprise me, and it is going to generate the image of adding this Ghibli image on the front page of Daily Trust. All right, and you can see it has surprisingly inserted the image on the Daily Trust newspaper of Nigeria, the front page, and it has surprised me with some of the latest news that are going over Nigeria these days. Okay, you can see this is it, and this is one of the news in 2024, and this is what happens, and then this is the insertion. Okay, so you can just go ahead and download this. Like I said, it's limitless. Whatever images or whatever graphic design you want to create, this AI tool, the ChatGPT, can have been upgraded to be able to do that for you. So just please go ahead and explore and see what you can do to your own advantage in your content creation and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, leave a like, and thank you so much and see you around.